If you're looking for a Catskill property that offers lifestyle and flexibility, this one is definitely for you.
Situated on 1.8 acres, including 2 cabins totaling over 1,500 square feet, this property features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with 2 hot tubs and 1 sauna outside.
Let's take a tour. This is a great opportunity if you're looking for multi-generational living, an income-producing property, or even your own private retreat.
I can hear the Catskills calling right now. They're a lot closer than you think. Please call us for your own private tour.